Good morning from Cape Town. Angela Collins here from Angela Collins Yachts. This morning I'm listing a Muira 30. The Muira is one of South Africa's favourite yachts. Just over 30 foot long. It's a racer, it's a cruiser, easily sailed single-handed or by a couple with excellent resale value. The Muira has been described as an ocean-going 4x4. It's a tough, solid, go-anywhere boat. The designer, Oswald Berkemeyer, lived in Cape Town in the 70s, and the Muira was designed to race against the Van der Stad designs, which were, as you know, narrow,